The band's only living member, the master instrumentalist Garth Hudson, passed away at the age of 87. New York. The band's brilliant keyboardist and all-around musician Garth Hudson passed away at the age of 87. He used a wide range of sounds and textures to give rock classics like Up on Cripple Creek, The Weight, and Rag Mama Rag a conversational touch. Hudson was the oldest and last member of the seminal band that supported Bob Dylan in the past and contributed to the development and transformation of contemporary American music. The band's social media pages reported his passing on Tuesday, but they offered no other information. Hudson had been residing in an upstate New York nursing facility. Hudson, a self-taught Greek chorus and classically trained performer, was a rustic figure with a wide forehead and a long beard. He used horns, piano, synthesizers, and his favorite Lowrey organ to communicate. Whether it was the wailing piano on Rag Mama Rag, the melancholic saxophone on It Makes No Difference, or the drunken clavinet and wah-wah pedal on Up on Cripple Creek, Hudson always managed to evoke the perfect mood or nuance. Hudson was primarily a supporting actor, but he did have one standout performance, Chest Fever, a Robbie Robertson composition for which he wrote an opening organ solo, The Genetic Method, an eclectic medley of moods and melodies that transitioned into the hard rock riff. Hudson was the only non-singer among 5 musicians honored for their friendship, texture, and versatility. After a protracted illness, Robertson, the band's primary composer and guitarist, passed away in 2023. Bassist Rick Danko passed away in his sleep in 1999, drummer Lee Van Helm died of cancer in 2012, and keyboardist drummer Richard Manuel committed himself in 1986. In 1994, the band was admitted to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.